go, 200 over hump. Then brow, 50, keep 3.5 left through gate. 3.5 left through gate. 100, slippy, water, keep 3.5 right. 3.5 right, 100. Small drop light, 100. Keep 5 left right over brow. 5 left right over brow. 50, 2.5 left opens. Very steep flat crest. Then 200. Keep 3 right slippy. Keep 3 right slippy. 250. 250, crest middle, 50, 3.5 right. There's the crest, 50, 3.5 right. Brow, 5 left, tightens to 4 on crest. Slippy exit, 100. Stay right, then jump into 5.5 left long. 50. Caution, 5.5 left, tightens to 4.5. Tightens to 4.5 through the post, slippy. 55 right. 5 right, 100. 4 right on crest, in, slippy. 4 right on crest, in, slippy. Then don't 4.5 left. Crest 4 left. Crest 4 left and 4 right, turn 3 left, turn 3 left, 100, turn 3 left up, turn 3 left up, into stay left flat crest, 100, 100, 5 left hug, crest into 3 right don't, 3 right don't. 200, caution, stay right on crest, then keep left 3.5. Downhill, 50, 3.5 left over crest, into caution, 4 right on crest. 4 right on crest, 50, 5 right on, 5 right crest, into 3 right on crest. 3 right on crest, camber, go 200, 5.5 left, into 50, caution, stay right on crest, gate, then 2.5 left. 2.5 left, 5.5 left, 100, short 5.5 left, 250, 250, then caution, keep 4 left in, 4 left in, 5 right through gate, 50, turn 2.5 left, turn 2.5 left, 300, turn 2 right, so 300, turn 2 right in at crest. It's in at crest. Slippy at the exit. 50, 4.5 left, slippy maybe. 100 through dip. Crest into 4 left on crest, 4 left on crest, slippy. 50 don't, 50 don't, turn 3 left. Turn 3 left, slippy. 250, 250, long crest, then 50 down, turn 3.5 left. You've got 50 after this, you've got 50.
Yep.
2, 3.5 left. Very slippy. 500. Then keep 4.5 right on brow at the end. Keep 4.5 right. keep 4.5 right, then go to 50, 5.5 left, 5.5 left at the top up here, then 5.5 left hug, into 5 right, 5.5 right, go 150, brow 50, 5 right, into turn 2 right, into turn 2 right, slippy, creek, keep right, go 500, small hump, there's a small hump, then long crest, middle and 6 left, down 100, middle 6 left, down 100, then right entry, crest, turn 3 right, turn 3 right, 50, 3 left, opens to 5 over crest, rutty, 4 right, long, 4 right, long through dip, 4.5 right, brow 6 left, go 100, 5 left, 100, caution, 5 left over crest, air don't, into 4 right, brow and turn 3 left, deep in, 100, 5.5 left, 150, turn 3 left, narrow after the exit, turn 3.5 left, narrow after the exit, 250 over brow, turn 50 over brow, 250, turn 2.5 left, slippy exit, 350, triple brow middle into turn 2 right, slippy maybe, triple brow middle, turn 2 right, double brow into caution dip, stay left, crest and keep 4 right, through gate, then 2.5 left, then through gate, keep 4 right, then turn 2.5 left, 150, 6 right, long over crest, 100, then brow and don't turn 3 left, turn 3 left late, 200, and at the top we got a flat crest, stay left 300, then brow, stay right, flat brow, 200, stay right, 200, brow, middle, 350, then turn 2.5 right, you can see it, then opens, 4.5 left over brow, 5 right opens, becomes 6 right, over flying finish, oh.
That's the best notes you've done.
Good job.
Well done, mate.
We got the rhythm. That's